In triangle ABC, angle B is a right angle. Angle B and angle Q are acute angle. Then we write angle A is a right angle. Angle B is an acute angle. Angle P is a right angle and angle Q is an acute angle. Okay, both are acute angle. What is the value of sin here? Sin B is equal to sin Q. In triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 90 and in triangle PQR, angle P is equal to 90. Sin B is equal to sin Q is given. ये दोनों वैल्यू हमारे लिए इक्वल है, क्वेश्चन में गिवन है. ओके, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ sin थीटा? Sin theta, that means perpendicular divided by base. What is perpendicular? Its opposite side is perpendicular. AC by BA. AC by BC. And what is the value of sin Q? Sin Q is equal to perpendicular is PR divided by hypotenuse. PR by PQ. That is equal to K. That is equal to हमने क्या ले लिया? K ले लिया. So interchanging the value, alternate of property, and work K is not equal to 0. Therefore, AC by PR is equal to BC by PQ, that is equal to K. Therefore, AC and BC convert into K form. Therefore, AC is equal to K into PR, and BC is equal to K into PQ. Okay, AC is equal. साइन B है, B एंगल है तो उसका परपेंडिकुलर that is a base, that is perpendicular. Depend upon angle. PQ upon PR upon QR. Yes. BC sin Q is equal to PR, perpendicular divided by hypotenuse, PR upon QR. Okay. Therefore, BC is equal to K into QR. Okay. Here AC and BC are converted into K form. Then we find the value of AB. By Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ABC, so AB square plus AC square, that is equal to BC square. What is AB square? We find the value of AB square. What is the value of AC square? K into PR square. BC square, K into QR square. AB square is equal to K square QR square, transposing right side, K square Q PR square. K square common, bracket में QR square minus PR square, that is equal to AB square. What is the value of AB? AB is equal to K square root, K square का square root K, QR square minus PR square. Clear? Then find the value sin Q. चलो कंपेयर, इसका रेशियो फाइंड करो. इन दोनों का रेशियो कितना है? AC by PR. रेशियो ऑफ AC by PR, that is equal to K. Ratio of BC by QR, that is also equal to K. Then find the ratio of AB by PQ. Okay, find the ratio of AB by PQ. What is the value of AB? AB is equal to K into QR square minus PR square. What is the length of PQ? PQ की वैल्यू क्या होगी? Hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. Okay. इसके स्क्वायर में से इसका स्क्वायर सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा तो आ जाएगा दैट इज इक्वल टू स्क्वायर रूट क्यू आर स्क्वायर माइनस पी आर स्क्वायर, बोथ आर कैंसल, देयरफॉर ए बी ratio PQ that is also equal to K. The resulting value 1, that is resulting value V. Comparing result 1 and 2. Otherwise, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, corresponding sides are in proportion. सभी का रेशियो क्या है? इक्वल है. तो by SSS theorem, both triangles are congruent. Okay, both triangles are similar. Both triangles are similar. Therefore, corresponding angles are in proportion. Therefore, triangle ABC, similar triangle क्या होगा? ABC, ABC, similar triangle PQR. By which criteria? By SSS rule. Both triangles are similar. Therefore, corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angle means angle B and angle Q. Angle B and angle Q are equal. Angle B is equal to angle Q by CPST. Hence we prove. Hence prove. तो इसमें पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, ट्रिगोनोमेट्री दोनों का कंसेप्ट है और ट्राइंगल का भी साथ में कंसेप्ट यूज होता है. ओके, इस तरीके से कर सकते हैं. पहले ए ली तो फिर हम देखते हैं सेकंड मेथड. ओके, to solve this question, second method, or in triangle BPQ, in triangle BPQ, angle P is equal to 90 degree and angle B comma Q are acute angles. लिखा है यहाँ पे acute angles है. Okay, what is the value of sin B is equal to sin Q is given in the question, is given. What is the value of sin B? अगर A angle B है, which is perpendicular, PQ is perpendicular. What is hypotenuse? Therefore, PQ divided by BQ. Otherwise, sin Q is a angle. Sin Q is an angle, acute angle. What is the formula of sin Q? BP upon BQ. PB upon BQ. Both bases are same. Denominator are same, both are cancelled. Therefore, PQ is equal to PB. BQ cancel. PQ is equal to PB. PQ and PB both are equal. ये दोनों साइड क्या हो गई? Equal. In triangle PBQ, PQ is equal to PB. Therefore, if two sides are equal, then its opposite angles are equal. Its opposite angle, PQ का opposite angle B. Angle B is equal to angle Q because angle opposite to equal, sides opposite to equal, angles are equal. Sides opposite to equal, angles are equal. Hence proof. ओके, क्लियर? इस तरीके से भी हम कर सकते हैं. इन ए राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल एबीसी, एंगल बी इज ए राइट एंगल. tan A, here angle A is an acute angle. Here tan A is equal to 1 is given in the question. What is the formula of tan A? Perpendicular divided by base. Perpendicular BC divided by base. Base is AB. That is equal to 1. Therefore, BC is equal to क्या होगा? AB. BC is equal to AB and that is equal to K. BC और AB दोनों की लेंथ क्या है? Equal है. That is equal to A. BC and AB both are equal and both are K. Then we find the in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 by Pythagoras theorem. AB square plus BC square, that is equal to AC square. Okay, AB square and AB and BC both are K. k square plus k square, that is equal to AC square. Therefore, AC square is equal to 2k square, or 2 is a square root of root 2 into k whole square. Therefore, AC is equal to square root 2 into k. Okay, what is the length of AC? AC is equal to root 2 into k. Okay, AC is equal to root 2 into k. Then, to find the value of sin A and cos A, first we find the value of sin A. Sin A, sin K formula, perpendicular upon perpendicular divide hypotenuse. What is perpendicular? Perpendicular is BC and hypotenuse is AC. That is BC by AC. That is equal to K by root 2 into K. That is equal to 1 divided by root 2. Similarly, find the value of cos A. That is base divided by hypotenuse. Base is AB by AC. K root 2 into K. That is 1 upon root 2. Okay? To find the value of verify, here we write down the left hand side 2 sin A into cos A. 2 sin. What is the value of sin A? 1 by square root 2. Root 2 into root 2, that is equal to 2. 2 divided by 2, that is equal to 1, and that is equal to right hand side. Therefore, it is verified. Therefore, it is verified. Clear? In triangle OPQ, angle P is a 90 degree. OP is equal to 7 and OQ minus PQ is equal to 1. Then find sin Q and cos Q. Find the value of sin Q and cos Q. How to find? See here. First we write OQ is equal to PQ plus 1. What is the value of OQ? OQ is equal to PQ plus 1 हो जाएगा. OQ is equal to PQ plus 1. By Pythagoras theorem, OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. What is the value of OQ? OQ is equal to PQ plus 1 whole square. OP square is equal to 7 square and PQ square is equal to PQ square. Simplify this term, A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square, PQ square, 2PQ plus 1. 7 square 49, PQ square. PQ square cancel. Okay. 2PQ is equal to 49 minus 1. Therefore, PQ is equal to 48 divided by 2. What is the value of PQ? Is 24 centimeter. PQ is 24. Therefore, OQ is equal to 24 plus 1. OQ is equal to PQ plus 1. 24 plus 1. That is 25 centimeter. OQ is 25. Then find the value of sin Q. Q is an acute angle. Q is an acute angle. Sin Q. What is the formula of sin Q? Perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. Perpendicular is OP divided by hypotenuse OQ. That is 7 by 25. Cos Q base upon hypotenuse. PQ upon OQ. That is 24 upon 25. And that is final answer. Okay. Here in this question, number 6, angle A and angle B both are acute angle. Then remaining angle is a right angle. Angle C is a right angle. A and B both are acute angle. Okay. In triangle ABC, angle C is equal to 90 degree and angle A, angle B are acute angles. both are acute angles. If both are acute angles, and here cos A is equal to cos B is given. Cos A is equal to cos B. What is the formula of cos A? Cos A. A एंगल है तो बेस क्या होगा? AC डिवाइड बाय हाइपोटेन्यूस AB. AC by AB. Cos B. If B is a angle acute angle, then base is BC by AC. BC by AB. Both AB same. AB cancel. Therefore, AC is equal to BC. In triangle ABC, AC is equal to BC. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle A. Why? Because sides are equal. Then its opposite angles are equal. Its opposite angles are equal. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle B, hence proof. Okay? Angle A is equal to angle B.